Hi, I'm making a video about the new Rakuten app, right? Or the Rakuten website. So as you get a bunch of discounts online or in store, right? You can get from Nike, you go to eBay, you go Amazon, you go to Macy's, you go Target, Walmart, any kind of store you could think of. Just like the Ibotta app, but this app is called the Rakuten app, right? Go to a bunch of stores, you find them right here. You get your selection. You go to sport, outdoors, clothing, accessories, electronics and office, travel and beauty, vacations, anything and so on, right? It's just a bunch of stores you could just choose from and you get discounts, right? Like this one says Macy's, you get 60% off, but with this app you get 3% off, right? It's super great. I can't stop talking about it. It's awesome, especially the referral code because you could earn $40 just by downloading it today with my code, all right? So check out the description, check subscribe, hit the like button because I'm giving more discounts, more apps, more websites, and more ways to get free money, free food, and just any videos that might interest you. All right, so stay tuned and subscribe. So a little bit about this Rakuten app. It used to be called EBT, right? Then it changed to Rakuten. It's offering a credit card for 3% cash back of whatever you want to buy. So you can combine it with the app itself. So let's say if you go to Nike, 4.5 cash back with the credit card, you get 3% more, right? So 7% cash back, right? So you'll find local deals about any store that you find right here. Like for example, this one you can select triple cash back on stores, which right now for a limited time you can actually get triple percent cash back, right? So Nike was 1.5, now it's 4.5, right? Forever 21 was 6%, now it's 18% cash back, right? You go to Adidas, you could go to Gap, you could go to Levi's, you could go to Tom's, and so on, so on, so on, right? There's a lot of stores you can actually look for. You could get 3 times in-store cashback as well. We're gonna talk about that in a minute. Or you could get other discounts from like North VPN, which is like a VPN for to actually secure your internet, right? You could go to See Candies, 12%. Go a bunch of different type of websites, different type of stores. You even find cashback on AAA, right, for your auto insurance, right? So it's amazing, it's awesome. Check it out, right? You give you a list right here where it says hot deals. Now you could buy it online, pick up in store. You could check it out, and it just refines you, right? This website will do all the work for you. All you got to do is type it in here in the search bar, or just look it up right there, just randomly to see what you like, right? So things you want to buy online and pick up in store, it's already like food or clothing stores. But if you want to keep looking, you can check many stores right here. It's not only in California; it's all over the U.S. and I think it's even around the world. So I mean, whatever website you want, you can always get an extension. It'll be right here in the corner. It says R for Rakuten, and I'll do the information automatically to help you out, right? You can also select things like free gifts, all right? So if you go to websites, it says you want select free gifts. I'll give you a list of different type of stores and websites where they're actually giving out a free gift with a purchase, right? For example, for Macy's, you get a complimentary Rogue Dior keepsake box with 2 mini deluxe Rogue Dior lipsticks with any $125 Dior beauty order, right? So you purchase something that's brand Dior from Macy's worth 125 plus, you get 3% cash back from Macy's, and you get a free mini deluxe lipsticks, right? You go to Lowe's, you'll get a 36 volt 7 1/4 brushes hybrid cordless cord circular saw and a power tool battery charger for free, right? When if you buy something at Lowe's and you get 2% cash back. If you go to Sephora, you get a Lip Maestro lipstick with any $35 purchase, right? Plus 4% cash back, and it goes on and goes on and goes on, right? You find different type of things for different markets, different brands, different stores. You can buy it in store or online, and it's great, right? You get free gifts. So this is an app you gotta look for, it could also refine for free shipping. So let's say eBay, you want to get free shipping, you'll find free shipping over 2 million items. If you go to another store like Vans, you get free shipping on all orders, and it just refines it for you, right? It helps you out a lot depending what you like, and it also tells you buy one and get one free type of deals, right? So this is awesome, right? Buy one get one free from Tools, from Walgreens, buy two get free number 7, whatever that is. You could click on it, and I'll tell you a lot more, right? Any type of store, you'll find it right here. You won't be upset. But you can also shop in store, right? And now they have a deal saying if you shop in store, you'll get 3 times in store cash back. It ends today, unfortunately, but I mean, there will be more later on, right? Now, how this works in store is pretty simple. I'm not sure if you actually use another app. Do you actually have to link your bank account? Ibotta, you have to link your, let's say, your Walmart account to the app, so it could redirect you to that website. And this works just the same, right? But in store, you could do this you could redirect you to the website, or you could buy it in store, like I said, and it gives you a couple of steps you can follow. It's simple. You link your offer, you link your credit card or your debit card. It's simple to the website. You link it to your app, and then you pay with it, so you can earn cash back, right? So after you link it to your app, you could just go in store, shop with it, swipe your card, use your PIN, and will automatically add up to your account, right? It's awesome. You get a fake bad check afterwards. Like I'm about to get one right now. It's worth a lot. You can check out right here a couple of questions, see what they actually tell you to tell you about, see how they could help you out. If not, you can just go back to the main website and continue shopping, right? We'll check out the account a little bit afterwards, but right now we'll see what the website has to offer us for right now, right? So again, you go in-store cashback. Simple, you just swipe it, it accumulates in your account, adds up to your account, and you can just cash back afterwards, right? Now also has a section for travel and vacations, which means you can actually go to a hotel, purchase rent a room, and you get cash back, right? You get a discount and it adds up to your account again as cash back, and you can use it in future purchases or just cash it out as checks, right? You could apply for an extra 3% cash back from Rakuten as a credit card. That you could add it up to your total, and it'll give you more of a discount. You get 5% cash back at thousands of restaurants, such as DoorDash or any type of restaurant you find inside, UberEats. But that one you actually have to download the app, right? So you can use a website, get an extension to help you out, or just a website by itself, or redirect you, or you could actually download the app and it'll be much easier right there for you, right? You could search on thousands of different websites and stores, such as right here. These are hotels. You actually go and get cash back, such as 15% cash back, and different flights and different hotel rooms and different things you could actually find, such as deals of dinner meals and packages, or even cars if you're trying to rent a car, right? So check it out. But the best thing about this, like I said, you can refer. You give and get $40. So in other words, you download this link, or you actually sign up with my link, and you'll get $40 for free. All right. All you have to do is spend $40. All right. So it says refer a friend recruiting. They join and spend $40, and you both get $40 and repeat for more, right? So you download it with my link, you'll get $40 for free if you spend $40 or more, right? So for example, you go to Nike.com, you spend $40, you get $40 for free added up to your account for future purchases, or as cash so you can cash it out, right? So do me a favor, check out my link below, because I give you a lot more deals, and this one is a fantastic deal for $40. It's limited only for this month, or I think probably for the end of the year. So I mean, I want to get $40 from you, and I want to hook you up with this special website, this special app. They're gonna give you a lot of discounts, especially for Black Friday coming up, right? So like I said, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more of what it has to offer. We're gonna go right here where it says how it works. You can also add your card right there. Things like be your big fat check. You can choose you want to get it deposited in PayPal, or as a check right there, as a regular check to your house, right? So you can check a couple of questions and answers right here in the FAQ section, the help center. It'll help you out a lot. A big fat check, like I said, arrives to your house, or it gets deposited to PayPal or bank account, right? So I mean, again, this store is awesome. You can find a bunch of discounts from shoes, from clothes, from vacations, from hotels, from cars, from food, especially. Black Friday deals. This is the app to actually have this one with the Ibotta. So download both of them, and I will have another one coming up. So you can find either way of in-store, online, or pickup, right? Which is great. You find a bunch of deals of all different type of websites, right? Anything you have to buy, no matter what it is. Rakuten is the must-have app that you need to have in your phone, all right? You need to have this app because it gives you tons of cash back and lots of money, especially from referrals, right? So again, it's simple. You can just go easily to Nike.com, select it. You find the Nike coupons, promo codes, and cash back. It offers you the credit card if you want. It gives you a bunch of department sales you can shop at, see what you actually get the cash back, such as 4.5 and those sections. But basically, you get everything and 4.5 cash back, right? Just follow the instructions and you'll know what they talk about, right? So let's say if you want to go shop now, you can add it to your favorites if you want. You click on it, it redirects you to Nike.com. And as you see right here, it quickly directs you to Nike.com. Now you can shop regularly, whatever you pick, whatever you buy. It's gonna do it as it's gonna add up to your account and as a coupon, right? So after you finish checkout, everything's gonna be good for you, cash back in your account within like maybe 24 hours, and you're all set, right? So again, after you finish, You just close, come back, and it's automatically going to add it to it. All right. In your app, you might see something that says, you know what, your purchase is complete. You might get it in 24 hours. But for right now, everything is good. And check this review out. You must have this app in your phone. And I hope you actually use my referral link because I want to get money to shop for Black Friday too. All right. Thank you.